To perform a first setup on the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, first of all we need to power it on. So you can do it by holding the Xbox button here for half a second or something like that until the LED lamp turns on. If it doesn't happen, then you might need to charge your controller by connecting a cable USB-C right here to any other device or charger. Now when it's charged and powered on, we can set it up on another device. That means maybe your PC, console, TV, or a smartphone. In this case, I'll be doing that on my smartphone right here. So enter a Bluetooth settings on the device that you want to connect your controller with. Then make sure that the Bluetooth is on and scroll down to available devices list. Now we can enter a pairing mode by clicking on the button right here on our controller. And look on the LED lamp right here until it starts flashing rapidly, just like that. Then refresh the list and here's our controller. We can click on it to connect it with our phone. And you can follow these steps on any other device. All you have to do is find the Bluetooth settings. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.